Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a DeFi protocol with Uniswap, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a solid understanding of decentralized finance and blockchain technology. Begin by setting up a development environment. Install Node.js and npm if not already installed. Next, install Truffle or Hardhat, which are popular frameworks for Ethereum development. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Initialize your project by running npm init. Install the required dependencies, including Open Zeppelin contracts for secure smart contracts. Create a new smart contract file in the contracts folder. Define your contract and inherit from the Uniswap v2 pair contract. Implement the necessary functions for your protocol, ensuring you adhere to the ERC20 standard. Once your smart contract is written, compile it to check for errors using the command truffle compile or npx hardhat compile. Next, deploy your smart contract to a local blockchain using Ganache or a test network. Configure your migration script to handle the deployment process. Run the deployment script using truffle migrate or npx hardhat run script/deploy.js. After successful deployment, verify your smart contract on Etherscan or a similar service. Now, create a front-end interface for your protocol. Utilize React or Vue.js to build a user-friendly dashboard. Incorporate Web3.js or Ethers.js to connect your front-end to the Ethereum network. Ensure users can interact with your smart contract through the interface. Add functionality to enable users to provide liquidity, swap tokens, or stake. Test the entire system thoroughly on a test network. Monitor transaction costs and user experience to ensure efficiency. Once testing is complete, prepare for mainnet deployment. Deploy your contract to the Ethereum mainnet. Finally, promote your DeFi protocol through various channels to attract users. Congratulations, you have successfully built a DeFi protocol using Uniswap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.